Hello guys, Raynate here, and today I'm going to be announcing new Let's Plays I'm going to be doing on my channel. So, yeah, this is mass upload week. You can see my fat neck and everything. So, I will be doing Sonic Generations, New Super Mario Bros. Wii, continuing that, Super Mario Galaxy, Class Ninja 2, yes, and Amazing Spider-Man. So, if you see any new videos, that's just why. And that is it for my short 50-something seconds update video. See you guys later, and make sure to like the video and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Let's Plays. Yeah, see y'all. Peace out.